To add beams, first thing you want to do is you want to look at the specification of the beams. You can add a beam and it can be supported by your load-bearing wall. Can also be supported by your column structure. And to add a beam, you just go to the level that you want it to be placed at. So high roof, let's start here. And go to structure, beam. Now, we do have this preloaded. So you can say use the beams that are preloaded, or you can load one. So load family. Again, go back to libraries, US metric, and this time you want to select structural framing. So you have structural foundation, structural columns. This time we're now in structural framing. And we use steel for this one, so say steel. And then you have different options here. In this case, we want to select the wide flange option. Wide flange. And similarly, if you open this, you'll have a long list of columns. So Revit doesn't preload all of this. It will just be too much. So you need to select and load the columns that you need. Okay. Similarly, all you need to do is check. So placement plane is at high roof. You're in your high roof. On grid, simply select the grids. Okay. There you go. And maybe I can, if I select this, by holding down the control key, well, it's actually added already. It did not build the beams here. That's okay. I can do that manually. So hit OK. Go to a 3D view to check. Change this to a shaded view. So I do have the beams there, but none here. No problem. I'll just go back to my high roof and go back to beams. And this time, simply click on the intersection. So you can do it also manually. Okay. You need to click the intersection of the grid to place a beam, and you have to do it each time.